like our recipes, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. You can also keep up to date by pressing the notification. Hi, and welcome to Desi Pantry. So today we're going to cook burgers, and in order to do this we're going to require 1 kg of mince. This could be lamb or beef. In this case we're using lamb. We're also going to need 1 egg, 4 cloves of garlic chopped, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 3 slices of white bread, and this is actually soaked in milk for about 3 minutes. 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2 medium chopped onions. To make the burger sauce, you will require 6 heaped tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 heaped tablespoons of ketchup, 1 heaped tablespoon of mustard, and 1 heaped tablespoon of sugar. To add to this, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. To finish the burger sauce, we're also going to need to add some seasoning. So this includes half a teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. For assembly of the burger, later on we're going to need sliced caramelized onions. You can use red or white onions here. Some chopped iceberg lettuce. And what I find works best with burgers is some soft brioche buns. And finally, some American cheese slices. We're now going to season the minced meat. So to add to that, we're going to add some salt, some black pepper, some garlic, some yellow mustard, the egg, and the white bread we soaked in milk. We're now going to mix this thoroughly. You can use a spoon, but we find it's better just to really get stuck in and use your hands. Now add the onion to the mincemeat. And again, mix this thoroughly. The mincemeat has now been seasoned, and and is now ready to make the burger patties. There's many ways of making that perfect round burger patty, but here we're going to use the lid of a container. We're going to cover this lid with some cling film. Now take some of the meat and start to mould it into a rough burger shape. It doesn't need to be perfect at this stage. Place the burger into the centre of the lid on top of the cling film. Press the meat to make sure that it is moulded to the same shape as the lid. Now very carefully place the burger onto a plate ready for frying later on. So using this method of a container lid, it really does give the burger patty the right thickness and shape. Now it's time to make the burger sauce. In order to do this, add the mayonnaise. Now we add the ketchup, then the mustard, and finally we're going to add the sugar. Now it's time to add the spices to make the burger sauce. From earlier we added paprika powder, some salt, some black pepper, garlic powder and onion powder. Now add the white vinegar. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly. Now it's time to assemble the burger. To do this we toasted some brioche buns earlier on. So when creating the burger, at first add the burger sauce to the base of the bun. Then add some of that crisp iceberg lettuce. Then add the burger patty. Followed by a slice of American cheese. Now to add some of those caramelized onions from earlier on. And now time to drizzle some of that homemade burger sauce on top. The burger is complete without that side order of chips, and alongside that we can actually serve some coleslaw and some of that homemade burger sauce. If you like our burger recipe, please don't forget to press the subscribe button. Also select notifications to keep up to date with the latest recipes.